Samsung washing machine has a TE error. So I try all different cycles here. I'll do a quick cycle and I'll show right there. I didn't even press start and the TE error already shows here. Doesn't matter what you do. It locks the door. It's trying to spin, but then you get the TE error. So I'll be looking some videos here. I already removed the cover in the back. I'll remove this from here. Oh, even though I unplugged, it was still on, but now no power anymore. So it looks like the error is in one of the sensors, and I already see the sensor here. I'm pretty sure this is the issue. So hopefully it is. And as you can see, the wire is broken. Right there, see? I think that this is what is causing the machine not to work, because the head wire, or what's supposed to be kind of red, it's broken. So I'm going to reconnect these wires and see if this machine will work again. Looks like the best way to do that would be from underneath. So I'll try that. I'll get a couple of these things here so I can push the machine and lay it right here. So be careful when you're doing that, especially if you're recording with one hand. Whoops. See what I'm saying? Oh, there you go. Now I have the machine right there. And from underneath, I can see it much better. Most likely this is the issue here. You have the sensor right here, and this wire is broken. It's been a couple of years. I've done another repair here. Crazy repair, by the way. But I fixed it more than once already, this machine. Which in other occasions, it would be, you know, you would just throw it away. The bracket, the bigger bracket here, broke on me several years ago. I fixed it, it never broke again. Solid like a rock. But this one is the issue today. Let's see if I can fix this one. All right, so you have this wire clips here, the red part. You have to remove that. And then once you do that, probably this black clip is gonna pop up like so. Again, the issue is right here. I can get it to focus there, but I need to make this connection again. While I was trying to fix the other wire, I just broke the green one. So just remember in which way each one goes and fix both. So in my particular experience here, to redo this plug here, this connector, it's too hard. So I'm just going to cut all the wires and join them like you would with any piece of wire. I know that the red goes in the right and the green as the left. I don't know if it really matters for this type of sensors, but I'll try to follow that. You know, just doing a connection right here. Hopefully it works. Yes, I know, it doesn't look good. And it feels like the vibration can make it become loose. I'll wrap this with some, you know, electrical tape. Hopefully it can work for another 2 years. Does not look nice, does not look pretty, but I guess it's gonna last for a couple of years, and that's what matters. If it fails again, just redo it, right? I just don't have the tools. I don't want to buy the new clips. I don't have time. I need to get this fixed in 30 minutes. And by the way, this was not the first time. I had problem with this wire about 2 years ago. Before the big mess here. This wire also vibration, whatever. It came loose. So I fixed it and it's working. And you can see right there. See? Why would this not work? It will work. It will definitely work. Oh, by the way, I also replaced these hot rods as well. I got something really better than the official one. I don't think I have a video on that, but it's easy to find online. They are much better. They hold a lot more stuff. The machine is much better now. All right, I have everything connected. Water, electricity. Let's see what happens now. Quick wash. No TE anymore. Hopefully it stays that way. Let's see if it's running. By now it would already have stopped. So I assume this is good. So I'm just going to stop now. I'll load with all of these baby clothes because this is what wife wants to get done. Alright, everything's there. Detergent. So let me fix this. Right, have the detergent right there. Hot water, medium, light. No extra rinse. I don't know why bedding should be normal. And play. It did lock. Let's see. I want to see the water and make sure that this is gonna work. It's getting the weight, see if the weight is right. See, water is flowing with soap. I think this is a success. Yes, no TE code anymore. Yeah, thanks for watching. This just fixed the machine. And just so you know, this is the model number. WA422PRHDH. Well, WRAA. Samsung. Fixed it. Working. Thank you guys for watching. I catch you on the next one. Or once this one goes bad again.